Good morning, guys. It's another really disgusting day here in Vancouver. It's raining cats and dogs, and I'm dying to get out on the trail bike, so I think I'm gonna brave the weather. Me and my brother James, we're gonna go up to the demonstration forest, and I think we're gonna get a little bit of GoPro footage. So. So I thought I'd do a quick bike check on the bike I was just riding up in the trails, and here she is. So this is a 2008 Santa Cruz Nomad, the first generation of the Nomad, and I love this bike. Fork, we've got a 2008 Fox 36, 160mm travel, and it's the Talus, so it's got travel adjust. Just by spinning this blue guy here, you can see how the travel actually shrinks right down. I've got the Shimano Dior XT rims. Tires, these are brand new, Bontrager. They're the SC4s. They're quite a downhill specific tire. I love them. I haven't slipped out on them yet. And, you know, I ride a lot of wet, so that's saying a lot. So giving me all the cushion in the world, I've got the Cane Creek double barrel coil. It's got rebound and compression controls, both high and low speed. And it takes a little while to dial the shock in, but once you do, oh my god, it is amazing. So I can't recommend this enough. Cane Creek came up with a great product here. Alright, so taking a look at the cockpit. Truvative Hasselfeld stem, Chris King headset, threadless. This is just a GoPro mount. Race face grips. They're lock-ons, pretty skinny. I like being able to really feel my bars. So cranks, as you just saw in my rebuild video. They're the Shimano Dior XT, just like my rims. I just took these guys apart, totally re-greased them, lubed them. They feel amazing. So my pedals, they're NRG, they're called Taster's Choice. They're really inexpensive flat pedals, and I like them for that reason. Saddle, I'm rocking the WTB Silverado, tried and true again. And last but not least, we've got the Thompson seat post. I can't get too excited about a seat post, but this one's treated me well. Just keep it greased up regularly and pretty maintenance free.